Welcome to a wild showdown you never knew was happening. In the depths of nature, a secret battle rages between species, and most of us have no idea. Creatures big and small engage in territorial disputes, power struggles, and even tactical warfare to ensure their survival. From sneaky invasions to all-out combat, this war is happening in forests, rivers, and even in our own backyards. Stay with us as we uncover the surprising animal conflicts taking place right under our noses. You won't believe the rivalries unfolding in the animal kingdom. The squirrel versus the woodpecker feud. Woodpeckers work tirelessly to drill perfect holes into trees, often for nesting. But squirrels see those holes as prime real estate and have no problem taking over, often evicting woodpeckers from their homes. This has led to an ongoing war between these two species, with woodpeckers aggressively defending their hard-earned cavities. In retaliation, woodpeckers sometimes peck at squirrel nests, seeking revenge for their lost homes. It's a back-and-forth battle that continues across forests and suburban areas alike, affecting the survival and breeding success of both species. Crows versus owls, a battle in the skies. Crows are highly intelligent birds that recognize owls as threats to their nests. Whenever crows spot an owl, they mob together and launch an all-out aerial assault. They dive-bomb the owl, peck at its feathers, and relentlessly chase it away, often squawking loudly to alert nearby crows. Owls, being stealthy predators, try to avoid daytime encounters, but when caught, they endure merciless attacks. This rivalry is so fierce that crows will even teach their young to recognize individual owls as enemies, ensuring the battle carries on across generations. Honeybees versus hornets, a battle to the death. The battle between honeybees and hornets is nothing short of brutal. Asian giant hornets are known to invade honeybee colonies, slaughtering entire hives in minutes with their powerful mandibles. However, honeybees have developed a unique defense strategy. They swarm around the invading hornet, creating a heat ball that literally cooks the hornet alive by raising the temperature beyond its tolerance. This adaptation has allowed some bee colonies to defend themselves against these ruthless predators, but when hornets attack in groups, the bees often lose the fight. Coyotes versus wolves, the canine conflict. As wolves have begun making a comeback in certain areas, a struggle for dominance with coyotes has emerged. Wolves are larger and stronger, often attacking coyotes to maintain control over territory and prey. Coyotes, however, are highly adaptable and have learned to avoid wolf packs by changing their hunting patterns, often scavenging instead of directly competing. Interestingly, some coyotes have learned to team up with other predators, such as badgers, in a cooperative hunting strategy. The competition between these two canine species is shaping ecosystems in ways we are just beginning to understand, impacting deer populations and even human-wildlife interactions. Dolphins versus sharks, a clash of the titans. Dolphins may seem playful, but when it comes to sharks, they are fierce defenders of their pods. Using teamwork, dolphins will ram into sharks at high speeds, striking their sensitive gills and underbellies, sometimes even breaking ribs. Sharks, often solitary hunters, struggle to defend themselves against coordinated dolphin attacks. This ongoing battle between two of the ocean's top predators proves that intelligence can sometimes triumph over brute strength. In some cases, sharks have been observed avoiding waters heavily populated by dolphins to prevent conflict. Ants versus termites, the endless war. Deep in the soil, an ancient war is always raging between ants and termites. Ants launch massive raids on termite colonies, using their numbers and strategy to overpower their enemies. Termites, however, have developed soldier castes with massive jaws and chemical defenses to fight back, often releasing toxic substances to deter ants. Some species of ants have even evolved specialized tactics, such as enslaving captured termites to work within their own colonies. The battle between these insects has been going on for millions of years and will likely continue for millions more, constantly shaping the structure of underground ecosystems. Nature is full of surprises, and these unexpected animal battles show just how competitive survival can be. Who knew that so many creatures were constantly engaged in wars of their own? Which animal rivalry shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, follow, and share. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next wild adventure.